Welcome to Motoshop channel. Today we're gonna unboxing the sticker for car, reflective sticker 3D with carbon. For car or motorcycle. This is the product itself. The red one will reflect the is a material from reflective. As you can see, there is a boxes. This reflective when it gets lights, and the middle is carbon type. Okay, this is decals for car or motorcycle. The material itself, it has double tape here on white. I'm gonna stick it to your car or your mobile or your motorcycle. This is the red one, and this is the blue one. Okay, as you can see that it's reflective material, the blue on the sides, and the middle is carbon. It is 3D. It is 3D stickers because it is embossed. These 3D stickers. Straight to the sizing. Size is about about 9 centimeters. As you can see here, from here to here, it is 9 centimeters. Okay, and the other side is 3.7 centimeters. 3.7 centimeters. This side is about 5 centimeters. Okay, this side is almost 5.5 centimeters. This one is 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Overall is about 24.5 centimeters. Okay, 24.5 centimeters overall from here to here. Okay, thank you.